Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how apple cake is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Precise ratios ensure consistent flavor and softness.
Check the mixing speed, it's fluctuating again.
Ramping it down now. Consistency is normalizing. We are stable.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every apple cake is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how apple cake is made, Ulstead Nard, from start to finish.